Hi, my name is Daniel Foster. I'm a student at the University of Houston downtown. Today I'm going to be reading this book From Seed to Plant by Gail Gibbons. Um, I picked this book because it's a really good book for children to learn about the plant cycle. So here we go. From Plant to Seed by Gail Gibbons. Most plants make seeds. A seed contains the beginning of a new plant. And these are all different kinds of plants. You see, you got tulip, daisy, rose. Seeds are different shapes, sizes, and colors. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that made them. So this is an acorn turning into an acorn tree. Many plants grow flowers. Flowers are where most seeds begin. A flower is made up of many parts. And here are all the different parts of the flower. You can see the petal. Down here is a pistil. Here's the stamens. Before a seed can begin to grow, a grain of pollen from the stamen must land on the stigma at the top of the pistil of a flower like itself. This is called pollination. Pollination happens in different ways. Often winds blow pollen from flower to flower. Bees, other insects, and hummingbirds help pollinate too. While they visit flowers for their sweet juice called nectar, pollen rubs into their bodies. Then they carry the pollen to another flower where it comes off onto its petal. If a pollen grain from a flower lands on the pistil of the same kind of flower, it grows a long tube through the pistil into an ovule. This is the beginning of a seed. The seeds grow inside the flower, even as the flower begins to die. As the seed becomes bigger, a fruit or pod grows around them. The fruit or pod protects the seed. When the fruit or pod ripens, it breaks open. The seeds are ready to become new plants. Some seeds fall on the ground around the base of the plant where they will grow. Some pods or fruits open and the seeds pop out. Sometimes, when birds eat berries, they drop the seeds. Other seeds fall into streams, ponds, rivers, or the ocean. There, they travel onto water until they stick to dirt along the shore. The wind scatters seeds. Some seeds have fluff on them that lets them float on the ground like tiny parachutes. Others have wings that spin as they fall. Animals help scatter seeds too. They hide acorns and nuts in the ground. Some seeds have hooks that stick to the fur of animals or people's clothes. Later, they drop off onto the ground. A flower bed or vegetable garden is beautiful. Seeds are planted to grow in the gardens. The seeds come in small envelopes or boxes. Directions explain how to plant the seed and care for the plants. The beginning of a plant is curled up inside each seed. Food is stored inside the seed too. The seed has a seed coat on the outside to protect it. A seed will not sprout until certain things happen. First, it must be on or in the soil. Then it needs the rain to soak the seed and soften its seed coat. When the sun shines and warms the ground, the seed coat breaks open and the seed begins to grow. This is called germination. A root grows down into the soil. The root takes in water and minerals from the soil for food. Up grows a shoot. Green leaves grow up from the shoot towards the sun. So here's where germination starts, right here. And then this is where the shoot is, right here. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and minerals in the soil, the sunlight, and the air all around the plant. Finally, the plant is full grown. Buds on the plant open into flowers where new seeds will grow. Many of the food that people eat are seeds, fruits, and pods. They are full of nutrition, vitamins, and minerals, and they are tasty too. And then on this last page is a little at-home experiment you can do with plants. It says that you can basically grow a plant from just a little jar. And so that is From Seed to Plant by Gail Gibbons. Thank you.